What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the state of crypto, man. We have officially entered the extreme fear market sentiment in crypto. Guys, we were headed to extreme fear for like 2 weeks now. For 2 to 3 weeks, man, we haven't really been able to catch much breakout on crypto and Bitcoin. And as time goes on, people are just getting more and more fearful. And the more time goes on, the more time that more people will start to forget about crypto. I'm telling you guys, people only want to buy crypto and Bitcoin during times of hype. When everyone's buying, which is the complete wrong thing to do. This is the time that you should be buying. Now, whenever I see extreme fear, this is like whenever I'm so bullish right now, guys, on crypto. It's insane, man. First of all, we are going to react to the market together. I have not looked at the market today. 59,000 for Bitcoin, 2.6 for Ethereum. Solana's at 140, which is decent. Nothing much has changed today. It's been pretty steady this entire week. Overall, man, Bitcoin's been doing decent. Ethereum has been okay. It's been hovering around 2.7. The market's still in a very healthy place, in my opinion. Bullish things are continuing to happen on a daily. Today, for example, Dubai has officially approved crypto payments for salaries, man. This is so incredibly huge, man. Crypto is beginning to get more and more integrated in our daily society, and people are still fearful. I don't know why. I really don't know why. It's insane to me the amount of people who still hate on crypto, who still think it's useless, who still just don't really know what crypto is and what's happening in the crypto world. Now, I also wanted to look at this chart right here. By the way, if you're not following me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter. I'll leave a link down below in the description of this video. It's where I tweet a lot of my calls, a lot of the stuff I'm in, a lot of the plays, a lot of what I'm feeling on a day-to-day basis. Now, 4-year cycle. Everyone knows it happens. The 4-year cycle is what I live by my life by in crypto. The 4-year cycle, I like to look at timelines. I don't like to look at price. If I looked at price, I would have sold when we dropped to 50K. You know? I've had days where 50, like damn near my portfolio is down 30 to 50%, and I have not batted an eye because, as I said, we operate in cycles. Right now, we are in 2024, just about to start making our ascent up. The halving happens in the 3rd year. The halving happens somewhere around right here. After the halving, you have a couple months where you might go down a little bit. You might consolidate for a little bit. Right now, we're consolidating. We've been consolidating for damn near 3 months now. And then after that consolidation, usually it's followed by a pump up. And then the 4th year, sometimes it continues up massively, like you see right here. Sometimes you see some hovering. Sometimes you see some dips, and then it makes its way back up. There's no one way something is gonna play out. You can only look at certain trends. For example, after the 4th year, we will have a bear market where we're doing nothing but descending. Then it will eventually rise from there, not at a crazy rate. It'll be steady. Like, look at the 2nd year is always steady, not much movement. Here you're getting a little bit of movement. It ended up playing itself out with this drop right here. So if you look at the base average of this, it's basically going straight like this. So it might not happen identically. However, there are certain trends. There are certain things that remain intact. So for example, right now, people are worried because we have been in this little consolidation for 3 months. People are getting burnt out. People are getting tired. A lot of people set up their profile or portfolios incorrectly with meme coins and high-risk plays that won't survive. If you are in high-risk plays, you won't survive this consolidation because a lot of projects that are outside of the top 50 and outside of the top 100, let's just say, a lot of those projects fail. They go to zero. However, if you are in fundamentally solid projects, if you're in projects that have the backing, have the community, have the network, have the, I don't know if I said technology, but have the technology, they will survive this phase, they'll survive this phase, they'll survive this phase, and they will boom heavy right here. You know, like Chainlink, for example. I love Chainlink because I genuinely believe Chainlink can survive any bear market you throw at it. Any bear market. Solana as well, Ethereum as well, Bitcoin as well. Render is getting there, Fetch is getting there, New York Protocol is getting there, AVAX is getting there. There is so many projects, man, that you should be investing in instead of investing in meme coins and stuff like that. But overall, my sentiment is very, very, very bullish, guys. Everything is playing out how it should be playing out. Now, the second this deviates, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna tell you guys, okay, I'm really starting to rethink this year's cycle because we've had this cycle in 2011, in 2014, and 2018, and now we're hoping it plays out up until 2025. 2011 to 2025 is not a long period in the financial markets. This is a relatively young technology, crypto is. So we have 3 cycles that are all basically the same. However, 3 cycles is not a lot. Something could happen in the real world that could have us deviate. Until then, I am going to live my life by this cycle. And I'm going to keep it completely 100% honest with you guys. The second this cycle deviates, I'm going to come here and I'm going to tell you guys, okay, maybe you should lay back on the crypto a little bit. Maybe we need to see how everything plays out before we continue investing more of our money. Now, what I wanted to say, I lost my train of thought, but what I wanted to say is, even if it deviates, that doesn't mean I give up hope completely. It just means you have to be more cautious. This is why I push responsible investing on this channel. You don't want even 50% of your network, or even 50% of your or even 50% of your net worth in crypto is a very high amount. Start off with 10% of your net worth. Then maybe if you really believe in it, 20%. If you really, really believe in it, 30%. But you should always have cash on hand. You should always have an emergency fund saved. You should never be relying on crypto, because what happens if it just continues down? You know? And you're really just banking on it. Then you have to sell at really low prices and you lose a lot of your money. So we don't want that. Stay responsible, stay safe. You should be very bullish right now. The Dubai thing that happened today, MasterCard teamed up with, I think it accepts crypto now. I'm not gonna tell you guys, I forget the exact article, but something happened with MasterCard. On a daily, things are happening that are bullish. Ignore all the price action, it's white noise. We could even go down from here. This could do this, go down right like this. It could go down to here and then bounce up into 2025. And I wouldn't bat an eye. It's really the time periods. We want to see where Bitcoin's at by right here. If by near the end of 2024, we're not making an ascent up, it'll be a little bit more nerve-wracking. But I believe by this period, we will see some major alt rallies. It's been your boy. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, leave a like. We're out.